Assalamualaikum, welcome to Banglama. I have today vegetarian dish bhindi bhajee. To start it, first of all I have oil in a pan and I've added one large onion chopped into small pieces. Stir until it's brown and then you add the spices, chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Mix them together. Then add can of plum tomatoes, tomato puree. If you have fresh tomatoes, you can also add fresh tomatoes. But I prefer chopped tomatoes in a can. Then you add the bhindees, okra. I've cut into bigger pieces, and just stir and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I've added 3 green chillies. You can skip it, or if you like it spicy, add green chillies. Add salt as required. So I did not add at the beginning because with okra it's best to add at the end. So it looks like this. I will leave it for another 5 more minutes before it cooks. So we're looking at the cooking time about 30 minutes. Okra is a very delicate vegetable and it needs to cook at a perfect timing. So we are not to let it cook more than it requires. So after 30 minutes of cooking, I've added a coriander, chopped coriander for garnishing. And the okra bhajee is done. Turn off the gas and leave it covered, so it will look like this once it's cooked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel with bell icon on so you get your notification. Please like and comment. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends and family.